think your PC is not genuine, there is a simple way to activate Windows 11 quickly using command prompt. In this guide, I will show you the official method step by step so your system becomes fully activated. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend, don't forget to like the video so that it can get or it can reach more people. So let me first go to my system settings and I show you that my Windows isn't activated as you see, my Windows 11 isn't activated. Can check also about, and then I show you that I have right here my computer, and if I try to check the product key and activation, they're going to be we can't activate Windows because we don't have a digital license, so it is not activated. Now we want to solve this. In this tutorial you learn how to activate Windows 11 using command prompt. This method uses the built-in Windows activation tools and requires a valid product key. Activating Windows ensures that your system receives updates, security patches, and full personalization features. So this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Always use a genuine Windows license obtained from authorized sources. Activating Windows with a valid key ensures security updates and proper system functionality. So we're going to come right here where we have this Windows icon, then we press the right click of our mouse, and then we're going to be seeing two forms of terminals. I have terminal 1 without admin and terminal 2 with admin. So choose terminal 2 with admin and then check yes. Then after it will be redirected to our administrator PowerShell. Then after we're going to press IRM in small letters, HTTPs, then a colon / get dot activated dot win space a vertical line space IEX. I don't know how some people call this sign, but it is after or below the backspace, that button of the backspace, we have that. Press shift and then that, then you'll be able to get that symbol. So after enter, then wait for a few seconds. So these are the requirements. Before starting, make sure you have a computer running Windows 11, avoid Windows 11 public product key, but we're not going to be needing that. And then after, administrator access on your computer and the internet connection. So we're going to choose option 1, which is HWD Windows, and then we're going to wait for a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds so that it can activate your Windows. So Windows 11 Education is already permanently activated. We're going to press option 1, which is activate anyway. It will install a new public product key. Give it some time, like 5 seconds. I'm going to go and retest the settings and revisit the settings, and I show you that it is activated. It is installing a generic product key and the process is successful. Let us wait for the second successful process. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to comment if you get any problem. If it is working, just comment and appreciate us. If it doesn't, just ignore. But it is working. That is what we can say. This is Marius Tech, one of the best tech channels on YouTube. Let's give it some time. Another process is successful and it is done. Now we are activating. Don't forget to subscribe. Now Windows 11 education is permanently activated with the digital license. Let us go to our system settings and then we check. As you see, the activation state is active, and then with Windows is activated with the digital license. Now the process is done. Subscribe, like the video, comment working if it has worked for you. I sign out.